Hello Kronvik fans. Question of the day. What do have this trailer and this car in common? Do you know? I will tell you. This material. It's tarpaulin, in German LKW-Plane, and I'm at a special workshop right now with my Kronvik here. Why? I need a tarpaulin for the light bar. So, as you can see, the light bar is still there and open, no cover on it, and it's fit not really to the German law, I think, and I've changed the domes yesterday in clear domes, and I hope when I meet the German police and they ask me what this is, I can tell you, or I can tell them it's no police light bar because there are no police colors in. But it's too risky for me, and I've read on the internet that the German law, the Niedersachsen, it's my state, law says that you need a cover in black where no light can shine through. So, and that's my insurance to have this kind of cover, and these guys from this workshop want to produce it for me, and I have told them the size and the color and so on, and I think in one week it will be ready, and so I can be sure that I have no trouble with the German police when I have this light bar on. Yeah, so I keep you informed about the result, and yeah, that's the answer. This trailer and this car need the same tarpaulin. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and until next time for the next story from Frank and his Kronvik.